Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to do a quick demo on how to use the DHL tablet for scanning your shipments. Swipe anywhere on the screen to enter the passcode. The passcode should be previously provided by DHL and is typically 4 digits. Once the passcode's entered correctly, you get loaded onto the screen, which will have 3 preloaded applications. The DHL Express MSPA application in the top left in yellow, Google Maps, and Google Chrome. Google Chrome allows you to access the DHL Retail Hub, and the tablet is connected to AT&T wireless so that you do not have to connect to a Wi-Fi signal. By clicking into the MSPA DHL application, you'll see a barcode and then 4 options at the bottom. These are the primary 4 options you'll use the tablet for. First, we'll start with checking in shipments from DHL. We check in shipments that are part of our alternate delivery location program and redirected to your store for pickup. The process is very simple. Start by clicking Check in Shipments from DHL. The camera will be activated for you to scan the piece ID. Once the piece ID is scanned, you'll hear a beep, and then the piece ID will show at the top. You can continue to scan pieces or select Done if all the pieces have been scanned. The next screen will show you an overview of all the pieces scanned. Please make sure to validate that the scan count at the top matches how many pieces the courier is dropping off. Once accepted, select Accept Pieces. The next selection will ask for a phone number. This is not applicable at the time in the United States, so select at the bottom, I don't have customer's phone number. Once the pieces are entered into your tablet, a notification will be sent through our on-demand delivery software to notify the customer that the shipment has now been dropped off at your location. The next step is when the customer comes to retrieve their shipment. We would use the option Deliver to Customer when we're delivering the package to the customer. The screen will prompt you for a pickup code. This is not applicable in the United States at the time, so select at the bottom No Pickup Code. We do need to have some verification, so the hand airway bill number will be asked. This is a 10-digit number that is found on the airway bill. Enter it according to what is listed from the customer and select Verify. The screen will prompt up to ask you for the customer's valid photo ID. The photo ID must match the following customer details: Riley Grady or whatever's listed on the airway bill. Check the customer's ID and select Yes if it matches. If the ID does not match or the customer doesn't have a valid photo ID, then we cannot turn the shipment over and you would select No, which will take you back to the home screen. By selecting Yes, the tablet will then prompt you to check the piece out to the customer. So the piece ID is listed above, from who it's to, and from. You can select Scan Piece to release it to the customer, or select Customer Refuse Shipment, which will then schedule a pickup for DHL to come and pick up the shipment. When you select Scan Piece, again, the camera will open and ask you to scan the piece IDs. Once the pieces are scanned, select Continue. Type the customer's name. It's important to type the customer's full name, so in the tracking system, DHL knows who is picking up the shipment and signing for it. Sign the shipment, and then select Done, and you're done. The next option we're going to do is receiving a shipment from a customer. also known as a DHL drop-off. So starting from the home screen, select Retrieve from Customer. Remember, this is for a DHL dropped-off shipment where the label that's already created, not by your store. Here, we want to scan the waybill number. Type in the customer's name that's dropping off the shipment and select Next. There's no receipt that'll be sent to the customer, so at the bottom, click No Receipt. It's as simple as that. Your shipment will now be stored into your device, and a pickup is automatically scheduled with DHL Express. The last and final step is checking out shipments to DHL. When a courier comes to pick up your shipments, you'll want to check them out and scan them over to DHL. This adds a scan in the system to show that you have handed your shipments to DHL and the courier picked them up. Select Check Out Shipments to DHL at the bottom. The one shipment I have was the DHL drop-off from earlier. We want to scan the piece. Again, scan the barcode so that it's recorded in the system and select Done. Validate that the number of pieces are checked out, and then you're done. It's as simple as that. The tablet should help make scanning and recording pickups for your drop-off and alternate delivery shipments much easier. One system that has been built into this is if an alternate delivery location package is held at your location for more than 7 days, the tablet will automatically schedule a pickup for DHL to come and pick up those expired shipments. I hope this tablet makes things easier and reporting simpler for you during your alternate delivery location program and drop-off shipments. And please let us know if we can do anything to make it easier. Have a great day.